Hey guys, this is George from the Car Barn. I'm here with the Mod Pro team today, and we're going to be bringing them and you on a quick little tour of the Car Barns. So let's roll into the lounge space first. All right, so this is our lounge space, and right now you can kind of see we're gonna have 3 offices right here. Our SimCraft simulator is gonna rest right here, and we're gonna have a 100-inch TV. It's kind of hard to see, 100-inch TV displayed here with some really nice couches. All of the fabrics and everything we chose is very automotive themed, from the couches to the carpets. And we're gonna have some really unique custom made neons as well in here. So it's kind of hard to tell, but right in here there's gonna be a long bar, and this window that looks straight into the storage facility is actually gonna lift up, and we'll be able to pass out donuts or coffee for all of our special events. So this space right here is just a little break room, and then this comes into where the detailing entity will operate. So we're gonna have really nice tool shed here, overhead lights. Over here is just additional office space. And then in here is gonna be where the scissor lift is gonna be for paint correction, ceramic. This is a really versatile space. And then it'll flow into here, which will be our full-time dry ice cleaning booth. It's fully contained, so no contamination across anything. And we expect this to be the workhorse of the detailing space. Then as you come into here, this is where most clients, customers will pull their car in to be inspected. There's gonna be lights on the ceiling, lights on the wall. This will be like the long wash bay before your car comes into storage, where it's washed, inspected, and prepped. How we doing? Then I'll bring you guys to where the quad stack lifts are gonna rest. In here is just additional storage, security, suppression system pumps. Then this is storage. So along this wall right here, there's gonna be 17 quad stack lifts, and our building isn't fully dependent on the lifts, but we pulled the trigger just so that we don't have to do all that work later on. So 17 quad stack lifts, and the rest is gonna be open for cars, motorcycles, a handful of boats if we can do them. And we'll put a picture in there. Right here in the middle is where our light fixture is gonna be, where we can display cars. We got some really cool events set up for 2026. And we're gonna be displaying some really unique, even one-off cars that are gonna be displayed in the middle. Yeah, then you can see we kind of used a different material here to kind of give it a barn type vibe a little bit. Yeah, we just poured all of the sidewalks yesterday, so all the little final touches are kind of coming in now. Got our transformer in here finally.